Large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT, Claude 2, Llama, and Llama 2 are advanced AI systems designed to understand and generate human-like text. They are large because they are trained on vast amounts of text data, and language models because they model the way we use language. Think of them as the genie from Aladdin, but instead of granting 3 wishes, they answer questions and write text based on their knowledge from the data they've been trained on. For instance, if you ask ChatGPT to write a poem, it would generate one for you, much like how the genie creates magic out of thin air. These models are incredibly versatile. Just as the Starship Enterprise from Star Trek uses a computer that can understand and respond to the crew's commands, LLMs can engage in conversations, answer queries, and even create content on virtually any topic. Now, let's make it more relatable with pop culture examples. Remember Jarvis from Iron Man, who could understand Tony Stark's speech and help him manage his life. LLMs are like Jarvis, but instead of controlling suits of armor, they operate in the realm of text, helping to draft emails, code, articles, and more. In The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, there's a device that can provide information on anything in the galaxy. LLMs are similar, as they can provide explanations, summaries, and even create new content based on a wide range of information they have learned during their training. Another example is the Sorting Hat from Harry Potter, which can speak and seems to know a lot about the students. LLMs are like that hat, but instead of sorting students into Hogwarts houses, they sort through language to help with writing tasks, customer service, and more. In the world of video games, think of LLMs as non-player characters, NPCs, that can have detailed conversations with the player. They can understand complex instructions and provide information or carry out tasks based on those instructions, similar to NPCs that give you quests or background stories. These models are also making strides in creating and understanding content in multiple languages, akin to the Babel fish from The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, which translates any language for the wearer. LLMs, with their multilingual abilities, are paving the way for seamless cross-language communication. In essence, LLMs are a leap forward in how we interact with machines using natural language. They're not omniscient or perfect, but they represent a significant step towards creating AI that can communicate and assist in ways that were once the realm of science fiction. They're the current pinnacle of our quest to make technology understand and replicate the nuances of human language.